it was all surreal for me. But yeah, but I've visualized it for so many times, so it feels like it feels a dream to me. No regrets of that fight. I think that fight was important for me, so I take it as positively as possible. Yeah, obviously when you lose your first fight, it's hard to hard to accept it, hard to deal with it. For a month it haunted me, but after like then after after a month I realized nobody cares. It's just me overthinking it. I've dealt with so many injuries in last year, so couldn't fight last year. But yeah, this year I'm all fresh and I'm gonna perform again and again. No, it's not like that. It's like I could have done this in my fight. I should have done this. I should have not overexcited myself, or I should meditate more before the fight, because I've got very excited before the fight. I think very excited in the locker room. I was jumping, hearing the sound of so many people, because it was the first time I was performing in front of this big of a crowd. So that's the only thing. I was like, I should have done this, I could have done this. So but yeah, it's gone. Actually very excited. I love the fight week. Yeah, it's tough for the fighters because you're cutting weight, you're not eating carbs. But yeah, this whole thing, all the fighters, this energy, everyone is here to fight, here to prove themselves, and doing all these interview, very confident people all around. So yeah, it I love the fight week. I love UFC fight week. All the fighters come with the energy, doing all these things, interviews and this and everyone is like their haircut is they cut the same. They all the coaches are like good. They're like looking at you. So I like it. I think he's a good fighter. He's a good, complete fighter, but I have more experience. I think my grappling is better. I have good hands. My boxing is better. So I can dominate him in these areas where I'm good at, and where he is good at, I'll not let him do his things. I have a skill set. He has a skill set. I'm gonna go pressure him, impose my will and skills on him, and win this fight. Yeah, I'm visualizing that too. Like I'm with the headphone at every night. I'm like crowd noise of people booing me. So I think I'm used to it. Like, and I've always been an underdog. I've always been, people see, oh, because I've always took challenges, but I took the chance. I won the tournament. I'm in the UFC. So it's always a challenging fights for me. But yeah, I think it's the 5th or 6th time I'm underdog, but I'm gonna prove them wrong. Yeah, it means everything to me. Representing Indian flag, not just representing, but representing strong with all my with all I have. I'm gonna represent the flag high. It makes me happy. It makes me happy that I am representing this big of a country in the UFC, and there's so many UFC MMA fans in India, and I carry the hope, I carry the the belief. So I feel very very happy. You can expect 100% Anshul Jubli, which will perform his best. I will do everything what I can to win this fight, and I'm gonna go there, dominate the fight.